References can be requested from the candidate at any time once a candidate has been advanced to the offer stage. From the dashboard, navigate to the Offers tab. Click on either the campaign or the role. The display will list candidates that have reached the offer stage. For this example, the organization's policy has been configured, requiring all candidates to provide a minimum of 2 references. The candidate's summary shows the references metrics in orange, indicating that the reference requirements are currently unresolved. The recruiter can choose to override the organization's reference policy, such as when the candidate is being sourced from within the organization, and is therefore a known entity. Either click on the candidate's offer settings icon or their name. A tab submenu will be displayed. Click on References. References can be requested from a candidate's former employers, a personal reference, or from an academic institution. An organization's reference policy, such as what type of references will be accepted, are defined through the Reference section on the campaign settings. For example, if personal references are not accepted, they should be removed from the campaign settings. To preview the reference form, click on the relevant preview icon. Changes to the reference forms are made through the campaign setup. Click on Create Request. Set the number of references that are required. Enter the organization's reference requirements. This will be sourced from the default policies. Enter any additional notes. Set the required by date. Click on Create Request. OK. Click on Letter Preview. If OK, click on Send Request. OK. Confirmation that an email reference request has been sent is displayed. Continue. The display will show the progress of the reference request. The candidate will receive an email with reference instructions. They will be requested to forward the instructions on to their nominated referees. Their referee will receive the email request from the candidate and be able to click on the link. Enter their email address. Click on Continue. They will enter their name, their relationship to the candidate. Select the type of reference they will be providing. Click on Continue. OK. They will be advised that they have been sent an email containing a link. When they receive the email, click on the link. Complete the questionnaire. Click on Submit. OK. The recruiter will be able to monitor the process. They will be able to see the referee's initial registration and when the reference has been completed, to indicate if a reference is OK or not. Click on the line edit icon, and if OK, select OK. Save. OK. In our example, the metrics shows 2 references required. Currently 1 has been requested, 1 received, and 1 marked as OK. The metrics will be shown with a green background once all the required conditions have been met. Unresolved, incomplete, or non-approved references will not prevent a candidate from being made a provisional offer or confirmed hire.